What is your name?
Okay, yeah, thank you so much. My name is Bawan Nyirumuji.
What is your age?
Yeah, okay, so my age, yeah, it's not many years. So, 20 or 20 years old.
Where are you from?
Okay, yeah, so I am from Rwanda, so big country. So, yeah, Rwanda is a country which is big and better than another countries as you look like a good. So where they are planting is some sweet potatoes, mangoes, sweetos, tokas, and windows. Yeah, all of it.
What do you do?
Yeah, okay, yeah, so as you see, I'm here to playing a comedy, so cause I'm comedian.
How long you been doing this?
Wow, yes. Bivuze nibyo. Yeah, yeah, I have been doing this 2 years later. So it is not many years, yeah. So, but let me tell you some things. So as you see, but I have fear cause. But when I'm from Rwanda is a good country. So we can make some confused about something. So we try to be better than as people now think, you know? Okay, yeah, let me start. So when I was younger, so I'm going to perform. So I begin. No. So when I was younger, so I thought the country, the one who has a country is a president, as you see. But I thought the country is his president. But and also the district I was thought he was mayor. Mayor is the one who really who has the what. So my English is too low. So that is the first one. The first ones I starting to study one primary one. So so I was studied when I was old. And after some time the teacher called me master. Yeah, headmaster when I entering in a school. So the teachers say, hey, headmaster is coming. So they got worried because I was older than other students. So imagine, I was 20 years old in my first primary school, my first one school. I mean primary school one, primary. Yeah. So I didn't imagine it. If I don't imagine if I can start at school at my age. At my that age, so but as I don't have a fear, so I was already known. But most people said when you are studying, you will get a good job. So I did it, but I was in 32 years. So I studied. I finished just 32. Yes, senior 5. So I was also out of school because I didn't have the high capacity or finance. My finance was low, so because I was paid my school, no one wanted to support me because I was intelligent. So when some student is intelligent, so they never mind if you can get some better life, but I try to be better. So right now I have 5 school. So yeah, why you are not laugh? So I make you laugh, but you are not laugh. So can I go? No, let me stay. So but next funny it is coming. I'm thinking about it. Okay. Yeah, when I finished school, yeah, my life was going ahead. So I applying some places, some different places. But when I put some my applying letters, so when I reach home, so I found it there at my home. But remember that I put it there at workplace. So but when I reach home, so I found it my applying letter. So that's why I was so confused about to getting a job. So I never mind. So I am now the head of employment. Do you know my title? So is that one. So cause no one can be paid. And me too, I know I am not paid because I am the head of unemployment. Do you know what you call abashomeri? And do you need to call abashomeri? Sorry. I'm speaking my vernacular, so but so sorry. So, but my vernacular is important than to using in my English, cause English I was studied, but my vernacular I was born in my blood. It is in my blood. So I understand. Yeah. So when I make some mistakes, yeah, don't worry. No one cannot make mistake, as you see. Okay. Yeah. I remember that when I reached at the country, so I was around the more countries. So at Nyarugenge district. And also I will which another country and Musanze district country. Yes. And what so more. Okay, so let me tell you some stories. I have one mom. My parent, we were twins. But when we born, my father said one of my twins is not his son. Do you know why? Because my mommy was also cheated my daddy. He think, how can I birth twins without you have the same DNA test? I was feared, but as twins loved between of them, so I never minded. So I said, how daddy, how can one can be you? And also another one he's not yours. I can't understand. So, and also I feel not comfortable. So I try to pray hard, as always my need is a get a sport, as you see, though this one, so you see, yeah, okay, cause I wanted to see if my twin or easy, we have the same fathers. Understand it? Yeah. Thank you so much. So, but I try. That's why I'm so sweating as you see. Yeah. It is my first one to standing in on a stage of American Got Talent. Wow, it was so amazing. Right now, I'm so trembling. Yeah, that's why. So I'm not feel comfortable, but no. Yes. Of course, yeah, okay. My English is ending up here. So let me continue my language. Okay, ababyeyi banje nyine no kuvuga babyaye umwana. Sibyo? Mukumara kubyara umwana, twavutse turi impanganye mfite impanga. Ariko panizi z'imitwe. Urumva kuba turi impanga asigaye papa za gutera inda mama tuvutse turi impanga. Papa asigaye none aza guhakana umwana umwe aravuga ngo uyu mwana umwe suwe. Kandi twavutse turi impanga. Ibyo ntibyantera urujijo ndagenda ndasenga amavaza ni nkovu nkuko nabivuze mu cyongereza cyanjye cyinshi kandi nagikeya kuko uzi imyaka namaze nkiga. Ushobora gusuzugura umuntu avuze icyongereza cyanjye nabi cyangwa se ngo yari gikeya ariko ntago uzi we imyaka nateye ukuntu nawe ntasinze ngira mvate ngo habariyo good morning. Ni ibintu biba biri complicated. So that's why rero numva ndi kuvuga icyongereza nkuko niyumvamo ko ari nagiharaniye. Erega kugira ngo ugere ku kintu n'ubundi bisaba kwanza kwitanguza ibyo yanabaze. Nabizi. Ndi kugira ngo manze kugira kuri icyo cyongereza rero niyo mpamvu nabwira muri East Africa Got Talent muri America Got Talent so na East Africa Got Talent naho nagiye niyo mpamvu nandi kubivanga nta gihe kinini nciyemo nejo nari ndiyo.
No.
Come on, yes. No.
Good night. It's a
ubwo se murama nongeye niyo nashakaga ubwo se akanya kuri aka kose nari ndi hano mwashaka umaye ubwo se ubundi mubyo ryo bimariye iki ubwo se muri n'abantu bindi bari kunuka ngo ndetse nasi mukadi ngo ni mukuru ngo bamfotora ifoto ya passport n'amaguru akagaragara kuri kwima bambira gase ko mwatwa byo gutanga bari kumbera bagende ubwo se basi mwagize ubu mutasinza agaruka mu byiwe muri Amerika